Hi, Goddess of Love here again. Kamusta kayo dyan mga goddess ko? So, another reading na naman tayo today for the water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So, kamusta kayo dyan mga water signs natin? So, let's start with you, Cancer. So, kamusta ka, Cancer, no? Kamusta kayo dyan? So, tignan natin anong sitwasyon meron sa inyo ng person on your mind, no? And message or advice from your inner self and of course from the universe, no? So let's see. Kuha tayo ng 3 cards for you, Cancer, no? Sitwasyon na meron kayo ng iyong person right now. So, let's get 3 cards. 3 cards. So, So, one more card for you, Cancer. So, tignan natin yan. What are those cards? So, you have this. Wait lang yan. I want to help you, love you, and your family, children, grow old with you, no? So, no, may nai-inlove sa inyo rito, mga Cancer, no? So, no, parang gusto niya maging part ng iyong family daw, no? So, something like that, no? So, if you are a single parent din, no, maybe Cancer ay gusto niyang alagaan daw kayo ng mga anak mo, no? Something like that, no? So, what else? So, but then, ano to? Doing spell work on you, no? So, maybe sobrang in love nitong tao na ito sa inyo, Cancer, no? Whoever is this. Kasi nakita ko na yung last card. So, ito yung last card, no? So, you're my happiness. I'm yours for, di ba? Parang sobrang obsessed ang person na ito sa inyo, Cancer, no? So, na dumadaan na siya sa ganito, no, na parang I don't know kung ginagawa niya na ito or gagawin pa lang o naiisip niya ng gawin na gayumahin ka, no, to the point na gusto niya ng gayumahin ka, Cancer, no, because this person is really obsessed, no, something like that, no. So ayun yung nakikita ko rito, no. So this person is really loves you, no, but then is obsessing na, no, something like that, no. So nakakaisip na siya dito ng hindi magaganda, no. So no, he or she wants to be with you, wants to be a part of your family, to grow old with you, to be a parent also to your children if you are a single parent, no, to the point na this person is obsessing na, no, and thinking the worst, no, maybe ay ito nga, no, nag-iisip pa siya na gayumahin ka, no, something, do a spell, maybe a love spell pa, no, something like that, no, but then, or maybe, for me, ang nakikita ko rin dito is, maybe this person is praying, no, na yun nga ay maging kayo, no, something like that, because this person is, you are the happiness of, no, sabi nga niya is, you're my happiness, no, so, I'm yours forever, no, so, binibigay niya talaga wholeheartedly ang kanyang sarili for you, no, Cancer, no, so, I don't know if, kung nagsabi na ba itong person na ito sa iyo, no, or he or she just saying this sa kanyang sarili, no? Something like that, no? So, kayo lang din nakakaalam nito, no? Kung sino tong tao na ito, na, super in love, I think, is, may totoong pagmamahal ito sa inyo, Cancer, to the point na, parang obsessed na na-obsessed na siya with you, no? So, that's it, no? So, maybe, kasi kapag obsessed na ay red flag na yun, no? Hindi na yun nakakabuti, no? Kasi kapag obsessed na ang isang tao and then magiging karelasyon nyo siya, masasakal kayo. Something like that. Kasi magiging wala kayong kalayaan with this person. Kasi obsessed siya, no? Something like that, no? Kapag obsessed siya, feeling niya kanya ka lang, no? Something like that. So, parang mawawalan ka ng freedom with this person, no? Whoever is this, no? Because this person is really obsessing with you, no? And that's really not good, no? Because if you really love the person, hindi mo dapat yan pipilitin, no? Something like that, no? It will go naturally, no? I don't know, no, kung ikaw ay gusto mo rin yung person na ito, no? But then for me, parang ang nakikita ko rito ay mga naiisip lang ito nung person na nagkakagusto sa inyo, eh, no? So, may tao or may person dyan around you, Cancer, na I think ay for sure hindi mo alam ito, no? Nagkakagusto siya sa iyo, mahal ka niya without your knowing, no? Something like that, no? At sobrang na-obsess na ito, no? Nag-i-stalk sa itong tao na ito, no? But then be careful, no? Be aware, no? Kasi maybe meron na siyang mga naiisip na hindi magandang gawin because of the obsession with you, no? Something like that, no? So, tignan na lang natin ano pang message or message or advice for you ng iyong inner self, no? Cancer. So, kuha tayo ng one card for you, Cancer. So, what is that card? So, you have this truth, no? So, Cancer, no? You have the truth. Nakuha mo tong card ng truth. So, maybe, ikaw, Cancer, ay gusto mo lang palagi ay truth, no? Something like that. Or, kasi hindi ko alam kung ano tong nakasulat dito regarding sa, dito, no? Banda sa lalamunan, no? So, maybe, Cancer, no? For some of you, ang nakikita ko rito, no? Your throat chakra, no? Throat chakra mo is maybe there is a blockage, no? For some of you, Cancer, nahihirapan kang magsalita ng iyong truth. Something like that, no? So, parang hirap kang i-express ang iyong sarili, hirap kang sabihin ang totoong nararamdaman mo for some of you, no? Maybe ikaw din to, Cancer, na binasa ko kaninang card, maybe you are the one obsessing, no? Meron kang taong nagugustuhan, maybe ikaw yon at nag-iisip ka na ng hindi maganda, no? Gusto mo nang hindi man kulamin, gusto mo nang gayumahin yung tao, no? Something like that, no? Because you are this, no? Hindi ka makapagsalita because there is blockages around your throat chakra, no? Mga Cancer, no? So maybe if you are this, no? Nahihirapan kang i-express ang iyong sarili, hindi ka makapagsalita, Cancer. Maybe, kailangan mo, para ma-open totally ang iyong throat chakra, mawala ang blockages, is you need to meditate, no, mga Cancer, no? So, meditation helps, no? And, drinking some herbal teas, no? Something like that with your throat chakra para ma-cleanse ang iyong throat chakra, no? There is a blockage within your throat chakra here, no? So that's what I see here, no, Cancer, no? So yeah, no, that's why you are having hard times, no? Speaking your true, no? Speaking your true self, no? Speaking your standing up for yourself, no? Something like that, no? So parang you are being parang may nagpipigil na magsalita ka, no, to express yourself, no? Something like that. So that's why ang iniisip mo na lang ay maggayumahin yung tao, no? So mali yun, no, Cancer, no? So, walang masama kung nagkakagusto ka sa isang tao, no? Wag lang sana yung committed, no? Siyempre, hindi na yun tama because kung committed na yung tao, may asawa na or kung may girlfriend, boyfriend na yan, and hindi na rin maganda kung parang baka makagulo ka lang sa kanilang relationship, no? So, kaya siguro, ikaw rin tong pinipigilan mong magsalita, no? Something like that, no? But then, there's nothing wrong, no, expressing yourself, no, Cancer, no. So, sinasabi naman dito ng inner self mo is wala namang masama to express yourself because right mo yan because nararamdaman mo yan, right? But then, kung i-express mo man tong sarili mo, i-express mo yung nararamdaman mo sa tao, then do it, no? But don't expect in return, right? Huwag kang mag-expect na kapag sinabi mong may nararamdaman ka sa isang tao, kailangan ganun din ang sasabihin niya sa'yo. No, huwag kang mag-expect, right? Just be honest within yourself, right? Speak the truth, whatever you are feeling inside, right? Emotions mo inside, but then, don't expect, lalo na kapag wala naman dapat i-expect, no? Something like that. Because, kapag mag-i-expect ka and then wala kang na-receive in return by expressing your emotions to that person and then yun nga, wala kang ma-receive in return na yun pala ay malaman mo, hindi ka naman gusto. No? So, eto lang, kumbaga, sinasabi ko lang sa yung worst case scenario, no, Cancer, because I'm really getting the strong feeling dito na may gusto ka nang gawing hindi maganda, no, something na gagayumahin mo na yung tao, no. So, hindi yun tama, no. Tanggapin mo sa sarili mo kapag hindi ka gusto ng tao, tanggapin mo yun because not everyone can like you. Pag gusto mo yung tao, hindi ka naman gugustuhin din yan agad-agad, no? Something like that. Or, wag kang mag-e-expect, 'di ba? Kaya, sinasabi ko sa'yo is, tanggapin mo, no? Kung gusto mong magsabi ng emotions mo, then go, but then tanggapin mo kung ano yung magiging result nito. Right? Because, nararamdaman ko talaga sa'yo, Cancer, na may binabalak kang hindi maganda to that person, no? Something like that, no? So, yeah. So, parang, kasi, you are obsessing, no? You are obsessing, no, sa tao na yun, no? Kaya, naiisip ka na ng mga hindi maganda. So, ikaw din ang magkakaroon ng problema dyan in the near future, di ba? So, hayaan mo na lang. Basta nasabi mo yung nararamdaman mo. So, hayaan mo siya. Malay mo, meron lang mga kasi I got this strong sense na maybe for some of you nasabi mo na no, but then you have received nothing, no, hindi nabalik yung sinabi mong emotion, no. So that's why you are doing spell work na, no, to the point na, napunta ka na sa ganun, no, sa dark, 'di ba? Parang wag naman, no? Sana wag naman, 'di ba? Right? No, so ngayon wag naman kasi eventually, sabi ko nga, kung anong ginagawa mo sa kapwa mo, babalik din 'yun sa 'yo, 'di ba? Lalo na kung hindi maganda, 'di ba? So, yeah, that's it, no? So, ito yung sinasabi ng inner self mo, no? Cancer. So, tignan naman natin anong message or advice for you na ni universe, no, Cancer, no, message or advice for you ni universe, no. Kuha din tayo ng one card for you. So, ano kayang message or advice for you? So, hope on the horizon, no. So, 'di ba, sinasabi sa iyo ni universe, 'wag ka lang mawawalan ng pag-asa, no. Basta gawin mo lang yung nararapat, 'di ba? Walang masama i-express ang sarili, but then, wag kang mag-expect in return, right? Because maybe, if ever lang Cancer, that person doesn't feel the way you feel, right? You have to accept. Maybe that person is really not meant for you, no? You have this feeling, but then, eventually, because if not being returned to you the same, no? So, maybe, in the near future, or in the future, there is someone still, no? That is meant for you. So, ito yung sinasabi sa'yo ni universe, no? So, hope on the horizon. Huwag kang mawawalan ng pag-asa. Maybe this is your first time to feel love, no? Kung ma-feel mo na meron kang minamahal, no? Something like that. That's why you are obsessing, no? But then, mahaba pa ang panahon, no? Kung tinurn down ka man ng tao na ito, wag mong gawin yung worst na gayumahin siya para lang mapunta sa'yo because pinilit yun pagpipilit yun, no? So, hindi yun natural, no? So, lahat tayo, meron tayong kasi if right now, 'di ba, you are watching this tarot, right, no? Lahat kayo nanonood ng tarot, lahat tayo, right? So, naniniwala ka sa mga ganito. Then why not maniwala ka rin na may darating talaga para sa'yo, 'di ba? Huwag kang magpipilit ng tao na alam mong hindi para sa'yo, na alam mong hindi naman susuklian yung pagmamahal na gusto mong ibigay. Right? 'Di ba? There is still someone out there na para sa'yo. Basta maghintay ka lang, no? Sinasabi sa'yo dito ni Universe, no, Cancer. Kaya, iwasan mo na kung ginagawa mo man na ito, tigilan mo na, no? Kasi hindi maganda gawain yung gayumahin ang isang tao, no? Something like that, Cancer. So, I hope naka-resonate ka sa ating reading today, Cancer, no? So, kung sino lang talaga yung makaka-relate doon. So, no offensement, no, sa mga Cancer dyan na naka-relate na may ginagawa ng hindi maganda. 'Di ba? So, tigilan mo na yan, Cancer, because hindi yan maganda. Not only dun sa person, but for you, big time. Kapag may hindi kang ginawang maganda sa kapwa mo, big time ang balik sa iyo niyan. Trust me on that, Cancer, no? So that's it for you, Cancer, no? So thank you for watching, Cancer. So hi, no? Let's proceed to you, no, Scorpio. So kamusta ka dyan, Scorpio, no? Kamusta ang mga Scorpio natin dyan? So let's see anong message, sitwasyon ninyo ng iyong person on your mind. And of course, message or advice from your inner self and of course, from Universe, no? So, let's see. Let's get 3 cards here for you, Scorpio. Sitwasyon ninyo ng iyong person right now, no? Kuha tayo ng 3 cards for Scorpio. No? Ano kayang meron sa mga Scorpio natin right now? Kamusta kayo dyan? So, let's see. What are your cards? So, no, meron dito, no, sex with you, no? So, unang-unang card, no? So, maybe excited kayo palagi sa isa't isa, no? Something like that, no? So what else? No? Please accept my true love for you, no? So, no? Tignan pa natin, no? Meron na ako nakikita, no? Tignan pa natin yung isang card. Accept my flaws. That's it. No? So, no? Meron ditong tao, no? Scorpio, no? Maybe, again, no? Vice versa tayo dito, no? So, pwedeng kayo ito or pwedeng yung person na naiisip nyo, no? Something like that, no? So, meron ditong tao, no? Syempre tao, no? So, Scorpio is, I think wala kayong relationship nitong tao na ito, no? So, all of these are in his thoughts pa lang, no? Something like that, no? So, ayun yung nasisense ko dito. Kumbaga, parang, with this one, no, with this sex with you, ay pinagpapantasyahan ka ng tao na ito, no, Scorpio, no, or ikaw ito, Scorpio, no, may pinagpapantasyahan kang tao, no, something like that, no. So, lagi mong naiisip itong tao na ito, no, something like that, no, Scorpio, no. So, you want to offer your love with the person on your mind, no. So, but then, take what's resonate kung saan kayong side, right? No? So, this person wants to offer his love, no? Something like that, no? And, but then, is afraid, no? Meron siyang takot dito, no? Na lumapit, no? Something like that, no? Kasi, para sa kanya, ay hindi siya perfect, no? Something like that. Or maybe ikaw to, Scorpio, no? So, again, no, take what's resonate lang, no? So, maybe, Scorpio, no, ikaw ito na, gusto mo yung tao, you really love that person, and you are fantasizing that person, no? And then, you are just being afraid because you feel that you're not enough, no? You are, yeah, because lahat naman tayo, no, wala namang perfect, right, no? We are just a human being, no? So, only God is perfect because He is our, what? He is our creator, right? No? So, only God is perfect. But, as human being is, from the day we are born, we have mistakes na, no, because of our ancestor, right, no, but there's no one to blame with that, no. So but then Scorpio, no, so I think na you are just being you are overthinking, no, so with the situation, no, Scorpio. I think that because these are all in your thoughts, no? So, hindi mo pa kinakausap itong tao na to regarding your emotions, no? So, nag-overthink ka na, no? Inuunahan mo na agad yung sarili mo na baka hindi ka tanggapin ng person na mahal mo, no? Something like that because you feel you're not enough, you're not good enough for that person, that you are not perfect, that marami kang flaws, no? Something like that na parang feeling mo ay hindi ka niya magugustuhan, no? Something like that. So, wag ka muna kasing magiging negative agad, no? So, if you really do love that person, then approach that person, no? Scorpio, no? Maybe ay nasa isip mo lang lahat ito, no? Maybe yung person na naiisip mo, yung person na mahal mo is malay mo mahal ka rin naman pala, no? Something like that, no? Kasi inuunahan mo no? Inuunahan mo yung sarili mo, no? Gusto mong mag-offer ng love but then inuunahan mo agad na baka hindi ka tanggapin ng tao na mahal mo. No? Something like that, no? Parang gusto mong magtapat but then inuunahan mo agad yung sarili mo na feeling mo kasi hindi ka babagay dun sa tao, no? So, there's nothing wrong with that, no? Kasi lahat tayo nakakaramdam ng ganyan. But then, try mo muna, no? Why not, no? So, kung papangunahan ka ng ganito, nagiging negative ka kaagad. So, hindi mo maitatry. Then, hindi mo malalaman ano yung isasagot sa'yo ng tao, right? No? But then, be ready, no? So, hindi ko sinasabi na hindi ka gusto or hindi ko din sinasabi na gusto ka din niya, no? So, just be ready, no? Whatever, no? So, kung ano man yung isasagot niya sa'yo, i-accept man niya or hindi, yung ino-offer mong love is kailangan i-accept mo din sa sarili mo. Don't be afraid of the rejections, right? Because rejections is your protection, right? Kapag ni-reject ka, maybe you are just being protected by the universe. Maybe that person will not be a good partner to you. That's why hindi kayo para sa isa't isa. Something like that, no? So, kung hindi niya tanggapin yung offer mo na love, maybe hindi talaga kayo para sa isa't isa, 'di ba? Kasi para hindi ka din masamantala, no? Something like that, no, Scorpio, no? So, kasi syempre kapag minsan yung ibang tao kapag alam nilang may gusto sa kanila yung tao o yung person is sasamantalahin nila yun even though na alam nilang di naman nila gusto yung tao, no? Pag may nakita silang potential na magbe-benefit sila dun sa tao na yun, sasagutin nila yon kahit ayaw nila. Kasi may nakikita silang, may potential, may maibibigay sa akin to. So, that is not love, right? No? So, maybe, maging aware ka din, no? Kailangan, maging wise ka din, no? Choosing people na you want to spend with, right? No? Kailangan balance ang iyong emotions and of course, yung mind mo. Huwag palaging emotions ang ipinapairal dito, right? Kasi kapag emotions ng emotions, tendency ay namamali tayo ng gawain, no? Something like that, no? So, I hope naka-resonate ka dito. Yeah, Scorpio, no? So, excuse. So, let's proceed. Anong message or advice from your inner self, Scorpio, no? So, kuha tayo ng one card for you, Scorpio. One card for you, Scorpio. So, what is that? Tignan natin. Message or advice from your inner self. So, you have this rebirth, no? So, yeah, for some of you, Scorpio, no, you are ending a cycle, no, in your life, no? So, you have this rebirth, no? Kung makikita mo, palabas ka na sa tunnel, no? So, you've gone to, some sort of struggling, no, sa iyong life, no, this past in the past, no, something like that, no. So, and now you are regaining or you are reclaiming your energy again, no. So, with the rebirth, no, so bagong ikaw, no. So, you are you are releasing your old self, no, with this rebirth card, no. So, kumbaga may mga bago ang sinisimulan, Scorpio, no, sa iyong buhay right now with the moon. Parang totally inaalis mo na lahat ng baggages mo, no. Something like that, no, with the moon, no. Kung makikita mo, no, kahit sabi mong madilim yan, pero nakikita mo dito, 'di ba, yung paniki. Nagkaroon ka ng clarity, no? Something like that, no? So, ayun yung nakikita ko rito, Scorpio, no? So, finally, nagkaroon ka na ng clarity sa mga nangyayari sa buhay mo. And now, you are choosing to change, no? You are choosing to have this rebirth in your life. You are choosing yourself now to escape in the darkness that you are in the past, no, something like that, no. So now you are ready to step out from that, no. So yan, no, ayun yung nakikita ko rito. So ayun ang sinasabi ng inner self mo dito, no, Scorpio, no. So if ever na hindi mo pa ito nagagawa, ay ito na yung mini-message ka na ng iyong inner self na it's time to get out, step out of that tunnel, that dark tunnel, 'di ba? Because nandiyan ka na, oh, nasa harapan ka na. One more step na lang and then you are totally free from that darkness, no? Something like that, no? So, total rebirth for you, no? So, talagang overall, no? So, malaking changes tong mangyayari sa buhay mo, no, Scorpio, no? Yeah. So, ayan yung sinasabi ng iyong inner self, no? So, wag kang matakot, no? Because there is this beautiful light waiting outside that dark tunnel, no? Something like that, no? So, tignan naman natin anong message for you ni universe, no? Message or advice from the universe, no? So, tignan natin, Scorpio. Advice or message from the universe, no? So, let's get one card again for you, Scorpio. Ano kayang nakuha natin for you, Scorpio? So, becoming nobody. 'Di ba? May kinalaman dun sa message or advice ng iyong inner self din, no, mga Scorpio, no? So, becoming nobody because because kung makikita mo rito, 'di ba, may papel dito, may ink, pero 'di ba, blank pa siya, as in wala pang sulat, right? Because you're having this what? You're having the rebirth, 'di ba? Total rebirth of yourself. That's why right now you are nobody, no? Becoming nobody. Kumbaga, pinapanganak ka ulit, no? Something like that, because total rebirth ka ngayon, Scorpio, no? Right now, maybe you are in a hermit mode, no? Something like that, no? Tahimik ka lang, or maybe, yan nga, hindi ka masyadong naglalabas right now because you are planning something big, no? You are in this situation wherein there is you feel this eagerness to go on that big Wheel of Fortune, no? Something like that, no? So, parang biglang pumasok sa akin, Wheel of Fortune. So, ibig sabihin nito, tumayo yung balahibo ko sa iyo, Scorpio, no? So, yeah, Wheel of Fortune is magbabago talaga, no? There is this 360 degrees, no? In your life that will be changing, no? In a matter of no? So, mabilis na pagbabago 'to, no, Scorpio, 'no, tumatayo yung balahibo ko sa'yo. So, yan, no, there is this wheel of fortune, no, magbabago yung buhay mo, no, something like that, Scorpio, no. So, right now, you are in a hermit mode, no. So, ayun yung nakikita ko, pinapalakas mo yung sarili mo, something like that, no. Nagiging tahimik ka lang kung ano yung mga nangyayari sa iyong buhay right now, no. So, ito yung nakikita ko. So, kaya you are becoming nobody right now, no? So, talagang total, binabago mo yung sarili mo dito, no? Scorpio, right? No? So magsisimula ka ulit ng new chapter sa iyong buhay, no? So, with the Wheel of Fortune, no? Bigla akong nakita yung Wheel of Fortune, bigla akong na-vision ang Wheel of Fortune sa iyo. Talagang total changes, no? This is really a breakthrough, no? A big breakthrough for you, Scorpio, no? So, yeah, that's it for you, Scorpio, no? So, I hope naka-resonate ka dito sa beautiful changes na mangyayari sa buhay mo, no, mga Scorpio, no? So, yeah, that's it, no? So I hope na gets niyo yung sinabi ko, no, Scorpio, no? So yeah, ayun ang message sa'yo. And of course, magdasal ka lang kay God, no? Lahat ng ginagawa mo, pinupurso mo ngayon is malaking pagbabago, no? This is your season for me, Scorpio. This is your big breakthrough, no, sa iyong buhay, no? So, something like that, no? So, yeah, congrats in advance sa'yo, Scorpio. And, yeah, thank you for watching, Scorpio. So, yeah, let's proceed to you, Pisces. So, kamusta kayo dyan, mga Pisces natin dyan, no? So, let's see anong sitwasyon meron kayo ng iyong person on your mind. And, of course, message or advice from your inner self and, of course, from universe, right? No? So, let's see. Kuha tayo ng 3 cards for you, Pisces, no? So, anong meron sa inyo ng person mo right now, Pisces? Tignan natin. 3 cards for you, Pisces. So, 1, 2, and 3, right? No? So, tignan natin. Mga Pisces natin dyan. So, red agad, no? So, tingnan natin. Enemy, lover, ano to? Enemy, lover, water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, no? So, yan, no? Maybe, meron kayong separation ng tao na ito, no? Just like you, no? Water sign din siya, no? So, yeah, but take what's resonate lang, no? Kung hindi naman importante talaga ang sign, no? But then, kung makarelate kayo, no? Kung meron kayong person na water sign din like you, no? Mga Pisces, no? So, ay ex-lover mo na, no? Something like that. And that person is bitter, no? Galit, no? Something like that. So, what else? You can escape me, ha, ha, ha. Yeah, no? Ang Pisces, no? Medyo masama ugali ng tao na ito, no? Parang ayaw niya talagang makawala ka sa kanya, no? So, what else? But then, no? Please accept my true love for you, no? So, yeah, no? Yeah. Pisces, no? Parang Pisces, no? Parang dalawa yung tao na nakikita ko dito, no? For some of you lang, no? Pisces, no? So, there is this someone new, no? A new person wants to offer you his or her true love, no? So, no gender tayo rito, right? No? So, but then, wants to offer you the true love na, di ba? Offer a love for you, no? So, may bagong tao, no? I don't know kung kilala mo na to. But then, you have this ex-lover, no? Or maybe, you are still in this connection, no? So, hindi ka makaalis, no? For some of you, Pisces, no? Hindi ka makaalis sa relasyon na ito, no? At tinatawanan ka pa ng person na ito, no? Whoever is this, no? So take what's resonate again, no? So, may tendency talaga, meron talaga siyang intention na wag kang pakawalan, no? Something like that, because siguro nakikita niya merong nagkakagusto sa inyo, no? Something like that, no, mga Pisces, no? That's why itong tao na tong isang person mo ay sinasadya niya, no, na hindi ka makaalis sa kanya because nakikita niya talaga alam niya na merong nagkakagusto sa inyo, no? Something like that, no? 'Di ba? Natatawa pa siya rito, no? But then this person is really not good, no? Kasi parang nakakatakot, no, kapag 'di ba? You can't escape. Ha ha ha. May tawa pa sa dulo, no? Something like that, no? So parang 'di ba? Parang ang sama ng ugali, no? Something like that. Maybe ay hirap na hirap ka na dito, no, Pisces, no? Something like that, no? Hindi ka makaalis, no? And then there is someone new na who wants to offer his or her true love, no? But then hindi siya proceed, no? Dahil may blockage, no? With this person, no? Na pumipigil, no? Something like that. So, yeah, no? Maybe if you are this, no, Pisces, ang nakakulong sa ganitong relasyon, no? Something like that, no? Maybe a toxic relationship ito, no? Kasi parang makasarili tong isang person, no? Natatawa pa siya sa mga ginagawa niya, no? Something like that, no? So yan, no? Ang medyo mahirap, no? But then, alam mo kung makikita mo, no, Pisces, no? Kung example lang na if you want to decide, no, kung makakapag-decide ka to get out with this person, may parating sayong new love, a true love, no, Pisces, no, merong nag-iintay na bagong pag-ibig sa'yo, na which is maybe your destiny. This is a true love, no, something like that, no, Pisces, no. So kailangan mo nang makaalis dito sa sitwasyon na ito, dito sa toxic na tao na to na tumatawa-tawa pa, no. Sorry po, sorry for that, no. So yan, no, kasi 'di ba, Pisces, no. So ang sama ng ugali, right? Kasi tumatawa pa, 'di ba? Parang wala lang sa kanya yung mga nangyayari, no. So parang 'di ba, natatawa siya sa mga ginagawa niya, no? Natatawa siya na nakikitang nahihirapan ka na, Pisces, no? So this person is really not good for you, no? Kasi intention niya is mahirapan ka, no? And this person is much happier kapag nakikita niyang nahihirapan ka, Pisces, no? So this person is really a toxic one, no? So talagang naitatawa-tawa pa talaga siya, no? So kaya you have to decide, no, Pisces, no, to get out of this toxic person, because there is someone who wants to enter, no? There is someone maybe in the future, a genuine love for you, Pisces, no? So you have to decide. I know na nahihirapan ka na sa sitwasyon mo ngayon, Pisces, no? So kailangan mo nang magdesisyon. Huwag ka nang mag-isip ng mag-isip. Do it now, because ikaw rin ang nahihirapan sa sitwasyon, no? Something like that, no? So, yeah. So, tignan naman natin anong message or advice for you ng iyong inner self, Pisces, no? Kuha tayo ng one card for you, Pisces, for advice or message ng iyong inner self, right? So, tignan natin. So, you have this adventure, no? So, yan, no? Siguro, Pisces, hindi ka nakakalabas ng bahay, no? Sorry, kasi ayun na nakikita ko rito, no? Ina-advise ka dito ni universe, I mean, ng inner self mo, na lumabas-labas ka daw ng bahay, no? Something like that, because kailangan mo ng adventure, no? Something new to be, something new mga bagong gawain, no? Something like that, no? Para may pagbabago sa sarili mo, no? Adventure, go with the nature, no? Have some vacation, no? Alone, no? Something like that, no? So, kailangan ikaw lang mag-isa para makapag-isip ka ng maayos. Something like that, no, mga Pisces, no? So ito yung sinasabi ng iyong inner self dito, no? Para rin yun sa sarili mo, no? So, what else, no? Tignan naman natin anong message or advice ni universe for you, no? Pisces, no? So, ay sa iyong sitwasyon, no? Kung ano man, no? So, tignan pa natin. Message or advice ni universe for you, Pisces. So, you are this, no? Queen of everything, no? Sinasabi sa'yo ni universe, Pisces. Ikaw daw si queen of, walang daw, no? Definitely, you are the queen of everything, Pisces, no? For sure, madami ka nang napagdaanan sa buhay, right? Because you cannot be the queen of everything if, 'di ba? Sobrang marami ka nang napagdaanan sa buhay and that's why you are this queen. Nakaupo ka na sa trono mo, right? Because sobrang tatag mo na, no? Sobrang napaka-strong mo na in the kumbaga parang you are this strong person, no? Thus, you have the strong personality na wala nang makakabuwag no? Something like that, no? With this, no? Parang hawak mo yung mundo mo, ikaw ang may control ng iyong buhay, no? Binibigyan ka ni universe ng power to control your life, no? Because this is your reward, no? Sa lahat ng pinagdaanan mo sa buhay, Pisces, no? So, now you are the queen of everything. So, that's why, wag kang matakot, gawin pa yung mga bagay na alam mong makakapagpasaya sa'yo because this is your time to be happy, no? For yourself, no? To be free for yourself, no? Right, no? Tanggalin mo na because people na who doesn't serve your highest good, 'di ba? You are the queen, right? You are the queen, you have this strength to do whatever you want, no? Something like that, no, mga Pisces, no? So, binigyan ka ni universe ng reward, something like that, no? With your hands dito, kung makikita mo, hawak mo yung mundo, no? May power ka to do whatever you want. So, wag kang pagpapadala sa mga tao lang dyan sa paligid mo na iko-control ka because ikaw na to, no? Bakit mo kontrolin pa yung sarili mo sa iba when you are this queen of everything, right? No, mga Pisces, no? So, yeah, ito yung sinasabi sa'yo, message sa'yo ni universe that you are the queen of everything, right? No, so, yeah, that's it for you, Pisces. So, I hope naka-resonate kayo sa reading natin today for you, Pisces, and for all of you, water signs, no? Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces again, no? So, yeah, wag lang kayong mawawala ng pag-asa, no? Lahat tayong may pinagdadaan ng problema sa buhay. Hindi tayo magiging matatag kung wala tayong problemang pagdadaanan, right? 'Di ba? Katulad ng sinasabi nga, pagka mayaman, hindi na kailangan magtrabaho. Sabi nga, 'di ba? Dahil mayaman na sila. Pero hindi pa rin Kaya lang naman sila naging ganyan because yung magulang nila maybe yung mga ninuno nila ang nagtrabaho ng maigi. Kasi ayaw nilang yung next generation nila ay mahirapan pa. Something like that. So may paghihirap pa din with the ancestors nila, right? 'Di ba? But then kung itong generation nila, hindi nila 'yun papahalagahan yung pinaghirapan ng mga ninuno nila or maybe ng kanilang parents, walang mangyayari sa pinaghirapan ng parents nila, right? 'Di ba? Mapupunta lang sa wala yan. Kung hindi nila yan papahalagahan. Something like that, no? So, marami kasi dyan akala ay porket mayaman na, hindi na magpupurso para mas i-progress pa nila yung sarili nila because they have everything na, no? But then, eto nga, 'di ba? Overall, no, parang nakikita ko dito, water signs, no, that you are the queen of everything, no? Hindi ka magiging ganyan kung hindi mo pinaghirapan yung posisyon mo, no? Something like that, 'di ba? So, kung ikaw pinanganak ka ng mayaman, swerte mo, but then, pag lumaki ka ba, makukuha mo pa rin ba yung yaman na yan kung di mo yan paghihirapan? Nasa sayo na yan kung papalaguin mo pa yan. Kung hindi mo yan napalago nang tumanda ka na at kung ano yung pinanganak ka, ayun pa rin yung negosyo nyo at hindi man lang nadagdagan, then you are nothing, right? Kasi nagdepende ka lang doon. Hindi ka nagpurso para palaguin yung negosyo ng iyong family na iniwan sa'yo. Something like that, no? So, ayun yung sinasabi ko rito, no? Magkaiba kasi yung pinaghirapan mo and now, na-achieve mo yung mga yung successful life. Tapos, nauutal ako yeah. And then, the other hand naman is yung mga pinanganak na may pera na and then hindi na nagpo-pursue, right? No? Eventually, for sure, no? In the near future or kung matanda na sila at hindi nila pinalago ang negosyo ng iniwan sa kanila, wala rin mangyayari, right? Kailangan may paghihirap ka pa rin gagawin kasi kailangan mong palaguin ang isang bagay. Ang isang sitwasyon, kailangan may pagbabago palagi. Hindi palagi nag-i-stay lang ng ganun at ganun lang. Because kung walang pagbabago, mismo sa sarili mo, ganun ka na lang din. 'Di ba? Gusto nyo bang mawala tayo sa mundo na ganyan ka na lang? Wala kang maiiwanan ng magandang image sa generation mo or even kung may mga anak ka na, 'di ba? 'Di ba parang ang ganda pakinggan na maiiwanan mo yung family mo or yung mga anak mo na may maganda kang wisdom na na-share. Wisdom is your experience sa buhay mo, right? 'Di ba? Lahat tayo may kanya-kanyang wisdom sa sarili natin. Wisdom is experiences na nararanasan natin sa buhay. And that wisdom, we can share it to others para maging inspiration nila. So, ayun yung sinasabi ko, no? So, maganda kung may maiiwanan tayong wisdom sa ating kapwa, right? Even sa mga anak natin, na magiging inspiration naman nila sa kanilang paglaki, sa paglago ng kanilang buhay, right? Kung iiwanan natin na toxic tayo, so, galit pa sa atin yung mga naiwan. Tama. 'Di ba? Parang ang sakit sa atin na marinig na, tama lang na nawala na yan. Something like that because hindi tayo naging magandang example sa kapwa natin, no? Something like that. So, I hope na sana sa atin lahat, no? Huwag nating hayaan na maligaw na lang tayo ng landas palagi, no? Sabi nga habang may buhay, may pag-asa tayong to change our life, right? To be a good example to everyone. To be a wisdom to everyone, right? We are all capable to share our wisdom. 'Di ba? Si Jesus nga kaya nga madaming wisdom, right? Bakit siya may mga wisdom? Kasi napagdaanan niya 'yun sa buhay niya. Yung mga sinasabi niyang sinishare niyang wisdom sa atin, nasa Bible, mga pinagdaanan niya 'yon from the start 'di ba? Ang daming pinagdaanan ni Jesus na paghihirap nung nabubuhay siya. That's why nagkaroon siya ng wisdom na sinishare niya sa mga tao because napagdaanan niya yung mga bagay na yon, yung mga sitwasyon na yon. And ayun din tayo. We are all have this wisdom sa sarili natin na pwede nating i-share. Yung wisdom na mga naranasan natin sa buhay. Ayun ang wisdom, 'di ba? Yun ang wisdom natin. Kaya, kung ang wisdom natin is hindi maganda, hindi wisdom ang tawag doon, right? But then, kung wisdom natin is nalagpasan natin lahat ng hindi maganda sa buhay natin, napagtagumpayan natin yung sarili natin, even though na hindi naman tayo ganito kayaman, sobrang yaman, hindi naman natin hinahangad yun, right? But then, ang importante is maging mabuting tao tayo. Mawawala tayo sa mundo nang wala tayong na agrabyadong tao, walang galit na tao sa atin, and instead, bigay pa tayo ng inspirasyon sa mga taong naiwanan natin, no? Something like that, no, mga water sign, no? So, ayun lang naman yung sinasabi ko, no? With the queen of everything, you are this queen of everything. You have so much wisdom in yourself, not that you can share to others, right? To be an inspiration to others, no? To pursue their life, to overcome their obstacles in life, right? No? So, makakatulong tayo sa bawat isa, no? Kung willing tayong tulungan ang bawat isa, 'di ba? Walang maliligaw ng landas, 'di ba? Something like that, no? So, kailangan lang talaga natin is to care, no? Lalo na sa mga tao na alam nating naliligaw ng landas, right? So, tulungan natin sila, no? May struggle, of course, but then, tayo rin kasi minsan tayo rin naman ang nagiging toxic sa kapwa natin Minsan talaga ako, minsan ganun rin ako sa sobrang minsan galit ko rin sa iba, parang imbis na i-uplift ko siya, minsan ay dinadown ko pa. Yes, I admit that, no? But then, eventually, after the day, naiisip ko rin, I have that mistake din na dapat hindi ganun, no? Kasi ang isang tao, hindi yan magbabago ng pipilitin natin. Nasa sa kanila yan, no? Something like that, no? So, kung puro negativity lang din ang naririnig ng isang tao na negative is hindi niya makukuhang magbago, no? Something like that. So, we have to control also ourselves din, no? Something like that na ako ay aminado rin ako sa sarili ko. There are really hard time for me to control myself most of the time. And right now ayun din yung minsan talaga ay really, even though it's really hard, but then I have to, no? Because I want something to change in my life, no? Something like that. So, I hope kayo rin, no? Water sign, whatever, no? Water sign, air sign, lahat kayo, lahat tayo sa mundo is aiming at big changes in our life. Huwag tayong magstay lang ng magstay sa nakasanayan na natin, no? Let's go step forward to something new para may magbago din sa sarili natin, no? Yeah, something like that. No? So, yeah, I hope naka-resonate kayo dito, mga water sign. No? So, yeah, that's it for you, mga water sign. No? Thank you for watching. Yeah, again, wag lang kayong mawawala ng always naman no? Maniwala kayo sa sarili nyo na lahat kaya nyo basta maniwala kayo. And of course, have this strong faith kay God because God is nothing is impossible basta maniniwala tayo kay God. And with us, nasa atin yung action, right? Si God yung nagre-reward ng actions natin Nakikita kasi ni God yung actions natin. And through that, alam niya kung ano yung dapat ibigay para sa atin, no? Something like that, no, mga water sign. So yeah, that's it for you, water sign. So God bless you all, water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. And yeah, thank you for watching, water signs.